An Barugo, usa nga bungto han Northern Leyte. Kilalado, haira masigla nga komunidad, nga may madig-on nga kultura han pagkaon. An Bukayo, ngan Bukarilyo, duha nga dili kasi nga ginihimo tikang halubi.
Baltar, taga Barangay Tanisag, Baruguliti.
Ako, Rebecca Didimos. Adi ako nakapoy ha Barangay Tanisag, Baruguliti.
Pauna pa po yung ginigimo nga Bukayo?
Siya nini, siyempre magpapalubi. Paglusa dito sa ini process, mahugasan anay ang lubi. Kahuman, patuturoon, kamaturo, babagtakon. O man nagpagbagtak, hindi hugasan liwat. Kahuman, ako na hindi ka tayo.
Ang sekreto ba sa diri po masunugan aton Bukarilyo?
Hindi ka mo, kinangan mo ang pag-inukay, ang kalayo, kinangan ito, imo, kikita-kita.
Pwede mo mag-try?
Okay, pwede. Ito, kinangan ito niya bida. Mientras kung ito niya tubig, diri niya mag-asin susunod-sunod pag-ukay.
Usa, an Bukayo, han mga dili kasi nga ginihimo ha barangay kan isak, han mga artisan. Ini, ginihimo, gamit an kalamay ngan lubi. Ginuukay ini tubtob nga magmara, basi makuha ang eksakto nga tekstura.
Ko Henry Dimos. Tanamon panuyo na kami anay panginabuhi ang mas madaming para kuba.
Yan na, aadihin na rin pa. Tutuon kita niya yan na pagpipili Han Roskas.
An Roskas, amo an tradisyonal nga tinapay han barugo. Kilalado, tungod han iyalain nga forma ngan tekstura. An torta barugo, kilalado, haiya tamis, ngan mahumok nga tekstura. Ginihimo ini gamit an mga lokal na rikado, sugadhan bunay, ngan harina.
Tara, pananggot na kita. Yan na, adi po'y Manong Hector, usa nga manaranggot. Ipapakita niya haaton kung paano mananggot ng lubi. Di ba Manong Hector? Tara.
An tuba, kilala nga coconut wine. Ginpapatulo, tikang hasaba han lubi. Usa ini nga simbolo han kusog ngan paningkamot han mga Barugueños.
kung pagbutangin ha taga pindi ha damong tabod kung gutiin na tagtulo, tagduha, tagupat kung damo kung gutiin na duha, tulula amo lang ito pagbutang para yan
proseso ang pagkuhan ng tuba, binabasya. Kasi, kasi may hugasan ng lakob.
Ini ya.
Oh, ini. Kasi matabas hindi.
Tabas.
Kasi mabutangan yung barok.
Tahan baro.
Barok ko. Hindi tama.
Kahit sa tawad. Paano po pagtawad?
Yan na, i-interview naton ang mahigugmaon nga amay handog to handbarog.
Well, very honored. I think it's one to also give promotion to our products. I think napansin ang among local delicacies, so it can be promoted outside Barugo. And I'm very honored. And well, these delicacies speaks for ourselves. It speaks for the people of Barugo. It speaks the livelihood, like we have the tuba. We call it tuba Barugo, the Malina. It tells a story of the people of Barugo, like the fathers that strives every day who climb to the coconut tree to get the tuba, then use the money for the school for the children. So it's more than the tuba. It's a story. It's a livelihood. It's to provide the needs of the children. Torta, it saves the art of the handmade of the people of Barugo, because it's usually used to the hands and the movements. So it's really it's a sacrifice, and then parang it is being molded and the shape. It takes practice. And I think that's we are proud of. It's not, before you get the bite of it, the torta and the roscas, it has so many process that it's underway before it's went to the fine making. So it really tells the story. It's the whole the traditions, the customs. Growing Bocarillo in Canisac, they have an association there that we supported. They have the machines and the structures that was given, I think, by the DA or the DTI. So it tells the story of the lives of Barugo. Like every founding anniversary, we invite all our small business enterprise, the SMEs, to showcase their products. We have also a livelihood programs for Barugo who want to venture in these small businesses. Well, it's getting scary now for young people, because we're now in a digitalizations world, and most of the children, this generation now, sometimes they forget the culture and the rich culture of our town. So every now and then we really have to emphasize. That's why we have tourism officers, that we always do information dissemination awareness, so that our rich culture and heritage will be preserved and will be passed to generation to generations. We have also programs for the youth, just to incorporate our rich culture, because we don't want this to be instinct, gone away with this so much futuristic that is happening in this world. Kasi that is our humble beginnings as Barugo. That's where we started, and that's from our Ninuno to Nonino. It's not bad to improve ourselves, to be modernized, but the most important thing is we should not forget where we came from.
tagsa nga karasa, may ada kasaysayan. Hatagsa nga kasaysayan, adaan barugo.